Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into managing customer onboarding workflows in Monday.com. First up, we start by creating a new board. Navigate to the left menu and click on New, then Board. This is the foundation of our workflow. It's where we'll organize and track each customer's onboarding progress. Now that we've done that, let's add some groups. Click on Add Group, and let's call it Onboarding Steps. Each group represents a phase in the onboarding process. This helps us better structure our workflow and easily see where each customer is in the process. Next, we're going to add items to our group. Click on Add Item, and let's name them Welcome Email, Product Walkthrough, Check-in Call, and so on. Items are specific tasks within each phase. They help us break down each onboarding step into manageable parts. The reason we do this is to ensure all tasks are clearly defined and nothing slips through the cracks. With Monday.com, it's all about visibility and control, and that's what we're setting up here. Now, let's assign each item to team members. Click on the Person column next to each item and select a team member from the dropdown. Assigning tasks to specific people ensures accountability. It's clear who's responsible for what, avoiding confusion down the line. Lastly, we'll set up automations. Navigate to the Automation Center at the top right. Choose the When Status Changes to Something, Notify Someone recipe. This ensures the right people are alerted at the right time, streamlining communication and speeding up the onboarding process. Let me explain why this matters. Automations reduce manual work and help prevent bottlenecks. They ensure the onboarding process moves smoothly from one step to the next. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to manage customer onboarding workflows in Monday.com. Remember, a well-managed workflow is key to successful customer onboarding, so make the most of these tools and ensure your customers get off to a great start with your service. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.